Imagine a world where machines can think and make decisions on their own, independent of human intervention. As artificial intelligence continues to advance at a rapid pace, we are faced with a daunting question. What are the moral and ethical implications of AI? From autonomous weapons to biased algorithms, join me as we explore the potential consequences of unleashing this powerful technology on our society. The field of artificial intelligence has made significant advances in recent years and has the potential to transform numerous industries, from healthcare to finance to transportation. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it is important to consider not only the technical advancements of this technology, but also its moral and ethical implications. The ethical considerations surrounding AI are complex and far-reaching, touching on issues such as privacy, bias, and accountability. It is essential to ensure that these systems are developed and used in a manner that respects the rights and dignity of individuals. Privacy is a crucial aspect of the moral and ethical implications of artificial intelligence. It encompasses the idea of ensuring that personal data collected and processed by AI systems are protected and used responsibly. AI systems often collect and store vast amounts of personal data, including sensitive information such as medical records, financial information, and personal habits. This information can be used to make decisions that greatly impact individuals, and it is important to ensure that it is used ethically. For example, if a healthcare AI system is trained on data that contains personal health information, it is essential to ensure that this information is protected from unauthorized access and misuse. The unauthorized access or misuse of personal data can have serious consequences for individuals and society as a whole. For instance, if personal financial information is obtained by malicious hackers, it can be used for fraudulent activities such as identity theft. If personal health information is leaked, it can result in discrimination and loss of privacy for individuals. In light of these considerations, it is crucial to implement measures to protect the privacy of individuals in the use of AI. This can include using secure storage systems for personal data, implementing strict access controls, and using encryption to protect data in transit. Additionally, organizations should establish privacy policies that outline the appropriate use of personal data and make sure that they comply with relevant privacy laws and regulations. In conclusion, privacy is a central aspect of the ethical considerations surrounding AI, and it is important to ensure that personal data is protected and used responsibly. By implementing appropriate measures to protect privacy and by following ethical guidelines, we can ensure that AI is developed and used in a manner that benefits individuals and society as a whole. Bias is another significant issue in the field of artificial intelligence and is one of the most important moral and ethical considerations surrounding this technology. Bias in AI can take many forms, including algorithmic bias, data bias, and representation bias, and it can result in unfair or incorrect decisions about certain individuals or groups. Algorithmic bias refers to the perpetuation of existing biases in AI algorithms. AI algorithms are often trained on datasets that reflect the biases of the individuals and organizations that created them. For example, if a facial recognition system is trained on a dataset that is predominantly composed of lighter-skinned individuals, it may have difficulty recognizing individuals with darker skin tones. Data bias refers to the presence of biased data in the training sets used to develop AI algorithms. This bias can result from a variety of factors, such as the demographics of the individuals who created the data or the historical events that influenced the data's creation. For instance, if an AI system is trained on data from a specific geographic region, it may not be representative of individuals from other regions and may result in biased outputs. Representation bias refers to the underrepresentation or oversimplification of certain individuals or groups in the training set used to develop AI algorithms. This can result in the AI system making incorrect decisions about these individuals or groups based on factors such as race, gender, or socioeconomic status. It is essential to consider ways to reduce bias in AI systems, such as using diverse and representative datasets in the training process, using algorithmic techniques to mitigate bias, and regularly monitoring and testing AI systems for bias. Additionally, organizations should establish ethical guidelines that outline the appropriate use of AI and ensure that they comply with relevant laws and regulations. In conclusion, bias is a complex and far-reaching issue in the use of AI, and it is essential to consider the moral and ethical implications of this technology in this regard. By reducing bias in AI systems, we can ensure that AI is developed and used in a manner that respects the rights and dignity of individuals, and that the outputs of these systems are fair and accurate. In conclusion, the moral and ethical implications of artificial intelligence are of great significance and require ongoing attention and consideration. From privacy to bias and accountability, these ethical considerations impact individuals and society as a whole, and it is essential to ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible and equitable manner. It is the responsibility of organizations and individuals involved in the development and use of AI to consider the ethical implications of this technology and to work towards ensuring that it is used in a manner that aligns with our values and principles. This includes establishing ethical guidelines, conducting regular audits and assessments, and taking steps to mitigate the potential for bias and harm. By addressing the moral and ethical implications of AI, we can ensure that this technology is used in a manner that benefits individuals and society as a whole, and that its impact is positive and sustainable. It is a critical moment in the development of AI, and it is vital that we work together to ensure that this technology is used in a responsible and ethical manner. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe down below. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.